So now we're looking for the horizontal lines in the shape. So for our first one, there's no lines in the shape, so I'm going to say 0. For our second one here, we're going to have 1 and 2. For our third, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then for the next one, which looks something like this, let's check here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to say there's 6 here. And we can see this is increasing by 2 each time. So this is a constant increase, so therefore it's linear. And now we want to find an equation because it's linear. So the total number of horizontal lines, I'm going to say is h, will be equal to 2 times the base side length. So I'm going to say that's b minus 2. So our first one, we plug in 1, and we get 2 minus 2, so 0. If we plug in 2 here, we get 4 minus 2, we get 2. If we plug in 3, we get 6 minus 2 is 4, and so that works here. Now we want to extrapolate to find the 7th step. So if we keep going with our chart, we'll get 5, and we'll get another plus 2, so 8. Our 6th one will then be 10, and our 7th one will be another plus 2, so 12.